Barry Tiger. Subscribe!
The Uncontrollable Food Truck.
Hi, this is your super cheese pizza.
Smells great. Oh, thank you, Food Truck Yummy.
Enjoy it while it's hot. Next, please. Oh no, oh my gosh, what's happening?
Food Truck Yummy, are you okay?
Oh, thanks. I think I'm fine. Ah!
Oh, I'm so unlucky. Who turned off the light? I can't see anything, it's so dark.
Oh, hey guys, I think I have to go to Barry's repair station.
Huh? I think that's a sign that I'm hungry.
Hello, Super Mechanic Barry.
Hello, Food Truck Yummy. Didn't you make everyone yummy food today?
Oh, I couldn't because something's wrong. I can't make any food. Do you think you can help me?
Of course! Dear friends, let's fix Food Truck Yummy together! First, we must give Food Truck Yummy a checkup. Huh? Oh no! The food truck's circuit board is broken! We need to solder the broken wires back together.
It's so hot!
Hang in there! We're almost done! Phew, we're all done! Now we need to attach the wires to the port of the same color. This wire is yellow. This wire is green. And this one is blue. Hooray! All wires are attached.
Wow! There's no more smoke!
Food Truck Yummy, can you please check and see if everything is working all right?
Sure. It's lunchtime. I am going to make a delicious hot dog sandwich. First, we will need a soft bun. Then, let's add some fresh vegetables. Next, we'll add a hot grilled sausage. Lastly, let's drizzle some sauce on top. A delicious hot dog is all ready. Wow! All's going well. I think I can make yummy food for everyone again.
The repair is done. Dear friends, thank you for helping out.
Super Mechanic Barry, thank you. I have even more energy now.
That's really good to hear.